Hello everybody, Lurgs here, and today how to tag a business on your Facebook post. This works on mobile and also on desktop. So if we go to a desktop, go to your Facebook and create a post. I'm just going to type in here, went surfing on my new board, and I bought an amazing surfboard from Shibui and I want to tag them in this post. And what you do is at the end of your typing, if you type the @ sign, and then start typing in the name of the business, it will then start bringing up a big list of all those businesses or people. So I've got here Shibui Surf and Skate. If you then select that, that puts a link to that company into your post. Just to note, this doesn't tag the business on their Facebook profile. It literally just puts a link in your post. Now if you hover the mouse over that, it gives you a profile of that business, and then you can actually view their shop by clicking on this button here. That's really useful. That means anyone looking at your post can hover over that and get more information about that business. Right, now I've got my new Shibui board. Let's go surfing. In the top right, how to look at specific years on Facebook on your Facebook profile. In the top left, how to sort your bookmarks in Google Chrome. If you've got Google Chrome, it's really annoying if they're not sorted alphabetically. And in the bottom left, how to take multiple screenshots in Windows 10. I hope that was useful.